Hello, friends. Welcome to the show HR by Nature, where we talk to people and take their opinion mostly on the HR angle. Today, our guest is Mr. Sumit Mukherjee, who's a part of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company and taking care of training and development over there. He has a rich experience of 23 years in HR and training and development. Prior to joining Bajaj Allianz, he was a part of Apollo Munich Health Insurance and taking care of talent acquisition and training and development. Apart from his HR heroics, he's also known for his wonderful sense of humor and his wittiness. Welcome, Sumit.
Thank you so much, Mayank. It's good to see you again.
Yeah. Thank you, Sumit. Sumit, as we know, it's almost around 1 month of the lockdown. So we just want to understand that how are you dealing with this lockdown? I'm sure that your organization also may have you may have also started working from home prior to the lockdown as lockdown was implemented.
Yes, in fact, that has been a very different kind of experience for us. Working from home as a concept in training was not really something one would be very aware of, and a lot of people actually initially struggled with that. It took us a bit of time to come to grips with come to grip with the term that working from home will work and we can do training online and stuff like that. But it's been an interesting learning journey for us, for the entire organization, I would say. I think the kind of effort that we are putting in terms of the learning journey of people at this point of time is very exciting. It's The lockdown, of course, has had its effect, but you know, work must go on, and so I think the business teams have also evolved to a large extent, as have we. We have also taken it forward.
Yeah, that's nice. So this is on the professional side. How are you dealing with it personally?
Personally, uh, since you're stuck at home, you really don't have much to do except for working from home and working for home. Both
Oh,
ways it works, right?
yes, yes.
And of course, one does wish that one gets to spend more time with the family. On a regular work schedule is going on. But when you spent all about a month and a half with your family already, you kind of wish that you could get back to work and take a break from home also. So yes, we are coping up personally, but yes, challenging in terms of finding resources. It is a bit challenging in terms of getting things in place, and time and days and dates are kind of you know uh, completely out of hand. So one doesn't really know what time it is, what day it is, and what is the day of the week or date. I'm constantly referring to my watch to see what is going on.
Yeah. That's nice. So, as you said that you also want to go home, I'm sure that our families also, sorry, you also want to go to office. I think I'm
Hmm.
sure that our families also want us to go to office as soon as
Oh,
possible.
I'm sure.
Okay. So, how are you dealing with how are you engaging your employees, your team members in this scenario?
So initial phase, it was a bit difficult because we were still trying to come to terms with how to operate in a scenario like this. Of course, our organization, we started work from home or from 14th of March, which is way before the lockdown actually started. So which means that we have been away from office for a long time, especially in Pune. For the rest of the country, lockdown happened later, but Pune we started at 14th, and it's been a long journey. So we initially were actually connecting through VCs and talking about work, about trying to learn new topics, sharing knowledge with each other. We're working on a few projects in terms of some development projects which you keep stalling forever. So we thought this would be a good time to actually work on it because you're not doing any training in terms of classroom. But as things progressed, about a week down the line, we actually started doing trainings. Uh, Initially through con calls, and then when MS Teams and Zoom was still being used, it became popular, and uh, you know We started using that effectively. I wouldn't say effectively, so we've started using that effectively only now. We started using it. We learned how to do things online, and the team right now is actually working on almost daily. They're doing at least 3-4 sessions every day. Every single member is doing that. So people are completely at work and engaged at this point of time.
That's really nice. So that means the energies of the people should also be managed. So you're managing it effectively.
So far, it seems like it, yes.
Yes, under your leadership, I'm sure it is.
Thank you.
Okay. So one more question. That what is the expectation of the organization, the employees from the L&D team in this scenario?
So, this is a very interesting juncture for us. Um, People are expecting us to do training. Okay, so that is part of our job. Um, but what I have realized over the last few weeks is that the way we have been traditionally looking at our work and the way that we have been working has changed forever. It is never going to be the same like before. A lot of companies have realized that you do not need to have presence in the office in order to work. So a lot of work from home will happen. This is the future. This is what we need to prepare for. So from the employee perspective, they might be still asking us for knowledge or skill training. Uh, but from my perspective, I'm preparing on a different path. I am actually looking at how to address the challenges which the new ways of working will bring in. So I'm working towards that. I'm actually working on developing uh, workshops, virtual workshops, to help people cope with work from home, to help people cope with, how do you reach out to customers today? I mean, that's a very interesting conundrum. In insurance, traditionally, Mayank, it is about face-to-face interaction. We've always encouraged face-to-face interaction. Uh, for the next 1.5 years, nobody's going to allow you to come into your home. You're not going to allow anybody to come to their home because you
Of
don't
course,
know.
of course.
How do you send? The rules of engagement has changed, and that's what we as a training team are actually working towards. We are actually actively, creating workshops to address this issue. Knowledge, skills of the regular cadre are happening, will continue to happen, but this is what is the future for L&D at this point of time.
Right, right. This is how the leaders think. Uh, this is really nice. Very nice talking to you, Sumit. Thank you so much for such an insightful interview.
Thank you so
Uh,
much, Mayank.
thank you so much, friends. That was Mr. Sumit Mukherjee. I'll soon see you with a different personality. Till then, namaste.